Sharp trims on it, though. Yeah. Oh.
Yay!
Here we go, Marble Madness.
Oh!
Yeah, good thing about over here, they don't mind you sitting right in the middle. What we were saying, in West America, like the Christmas Day, that they've got you to sit on one side.
Oh! Whee! Oh! Oh! Aye! Here we go. Hey! Oh! Uh-oh! Hey! Oh! What the heck? Oh! Hey! Wah! Oh! Wah! Oh!
Oh! Sounds have just come out. Oh God! Why is that? Turn that.
Oh!
That trim down.
Whew.
That is brutal. Yeah, good coaster though. Lots of fun with that.
Oh!